Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to manage dual connection on your headphones Soundcore Q20i. So right here we have a device one what connected to the headphones and have the application, and the second one have no application and not connected. Now on your device one, open the application and go to settings at the right top. Then click on dual connections and firstly you should enable it right here. Now click pair new device on your second one, and or you can click connect new device right here, or you can press 2 times on the power button, cut it, and now click on it at the device list. Pair. And we did it! Now we have 2 devices connected to the headphones without any unpair or disconnect. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.